Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching Technical World. On Do Not Disturb mode, if you want to get a call from certain contact, then what to do we will learn in this video. So without wasting any time, let's start. Now I'm going to open the phone app. Then we have to tap on favorite and tap plus. Now select the contact that you want to allow even you are on Do Not Disturb mode. Here you can see three options and I'm going to select the phone. You can also select the WhatsApp. After doing this setting, we have to launch settings. Scroll fine and tap on focus and tap do not disturb. Here we have to tap on allow notification peoples and under also allow call from select favorites. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.